Good evening, everyone. Today, the burning topic of our news is growing ethnic and religious diversity. These issues pose opportunities and challenges to European policymakers and societies as a whole. This problem creates a lot of social tensions and inconvenience. Education, however, has a key role to play in preparing societies for dealing with this phenomena. This independent report reviews the most relevant European and international research on these issues in order to summarize existing knowledge and to distill policy lessons based on evidence. Today with us, an educator and a representative from high school, Mrs. Natalie Simchi. Good evening, Natalie.
Good evening, Joanna.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
What do you think can schools do in order to encourage tolerance?
Well, school policies that encourage ethnic mixing create conditions for interculturalism and foster tolerance. However, simply bringing young people from different backgrounds together physically is not sufficient to reduce prejudice and develop positive intercultural relations. Schools to create conditions for all children and school staff to develop their intercultural competence.
How can schools encourage tolerance and cultural diversity?
Methods such as project-based learning, cooperative learning, self-learning, and peer education are becoming more common. These methods have demonstrated their value in combating intolerance. Extracurricular activities can promote tolerance and understanding. Active activities can help build on classroom learning and can contribute to the creation of a dynamic and inclusive school.
How can we prepare the teachers to become intercultural mediators?
Teachers need diversity training. The intercultural competence of teachers in Europe needs to be strengthened. Also, at present, there is a significant lack of diversity among the ranks of teachers and principals in schools across Europe. Member states should ensure high-quality free-service education and service training for teachers at all levels of education. The need of teacher education programs and continuous professional development should help all teachers develop their intercultural competence and ensure the necessary skills to work with a diverse body of students, including ethnic, religious, linguistic, and sexual minorities. As well, education policies to foster tolerance in children and young people individually. As people from lower socioeconomic backgrounds and those with stage 2 educational needs. In addition, teachers should be adequately prepared to approach sensitive issues and address bullying.
But isn't education coming from home? Should the parents also participate in this educational change?
Of course, education is a shared responsibility between schools and other stakeholders. Partnerships between schools, communities, and parents help connect better to local needs. They also increase mutual understanding and trust between school staff and communities, as well as recognition of the ethics and expertise of various stakeholders.
How can school curricula promote inclusion?
School curricula need to better incorporate diversity. Minority children often find it difficult to identify and engage with the learning process and the content of the monocultural curriculum. Addressing religious, ethnic, and other forms of diversity is a critical aspect of education. Culturally sensitive approaches can be effective in promoting inclusion. At present, there is a widespread failure among EU nations to adequately meet this challenge.
Thanks a lot, Natalie, for for your sharp insights concerning the education of the 21st century. And to you, our listeners at home, goodbye and have a wonderful weekend.